Hello, my name is Joseph Jezequel, and this is my presentation for the Teacher Leadership Academy. For the Teacher Leadership Academy, I chose the learner role, which is the model of continuous learning in order to keep current, be a thought leader in school, and model reflecting in practice. I will continue to update my professional repertoire through professional development, training, and pedagogy. In practice, how I intend to continue the learner role. First is by maintaining positive energy and constantly looking for new ideas. Apply what I've learned, seeking opportunities in learning, and develop a better connections through my CCC program in Cobb County. The first step is to build content knowledge and pedagogy. Currently, I am getting my specialist in instructional technology, where I've learned about instructional technology to improve teaching practices in virtual and face-to-face teaching, and to develop quality distance and face-to-face learning activities for better engagement, which as we can see from this year, is the future in education. Step 2 is to apply what I've learned into teaching. As we can see here, I have my very own interactive Bitmoji classroom. I've developed my very own YouTube channel. Additionally, I've started to engage with different teaching practices, such as teaching drum fitness, TikTok dances, and I've been able to incorporate social media as a tool, such as with Instagram, showing the students, teachers, and the community what is happening in physical education. Additionally, for engagement with the students, I've come up with virtual and face-to-face challenges that the students will compete against each other in. And I've developed a social emotional support in teaching by having team up and superhero days, as we see here. Also in my program, and for my specialist program, I've learned about dual coding, which is the use of images, such as we see here, to help in teaching. And as we see, there are additional opportunities with Gayford, Shape America, PE Universe, and Open. And perhaps the most important step in the learner role is reflection. As we know, not everything goes according to plan. It's okay if technology does not cooperate. Online engagement is key, and the motivational tactics are extremely important with online learning. Thank you very much. Have a great day.